Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress site mobile-friendly. A mobile-friendly website is crucial for a great user experience and better search engine visibility. Did you know that over 50% of all global website traffic now comes from mobile devices? Implementing responsive design is key, as it allows your site to automatically adjust its layout and content to fit any screen size, from smartphones to tablets, ensuring everyone has a smooth browsing experience. To begin, always choose a WordPress theme that is inherently responsive. This foundational step ensures your site looks great on any device right from the start. You can also enhance mobile performance with plugins. For instance, a plugin like Smush can compress your images, significantly reducing load times on mobile. Remember to regularly test your site using tools like Google's Mobile-Friendly Test to identify and fix any issues quickly. Optimizing your content and site performance is vital for mobile users. Always compress your images to ensure they load quickly without sacrificing quality, which is especially important on slower mobile connections. Structure your content with clear headings and concise paragraphs, making it easy to read on smaller screens. Additionally, installing a caching plugin can dramatically improve your site's speed, providing a much smoother experience for visitors on the go. Finally, focus on the overall mobile user experience. Make sure your buttons and links, known as touch targets, are large enough and spaced appropriately so users can easily tap them without frustration. Try to avoid full-screen pop-ups, as they can be very disruptive on smaller mobile displays. Consistent testing on different mobile devices and browsers is essential to catch any potential issues and ensure a flawless experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.